Programming the C-Touch controller for all provers to do cross-ons. Now please remember that this is only a demonstration, and depending on the amount of yeast, depending on the recipe, depending on the number of factors, this may suit, but it's a good starting point. Right. Now at the moment this prover's set Monday 12:53. Now if we want to start programming, we press the box or the symbol here for automatic, press, and now we start to program. We go into program 1, press OK. This is for Tuesday. It will automatically be the next day. Then we go OK. So we want to, now say we want it to be ready at 6 o'clock in the morning. We'll change it to 6, press OK, press OK. The first thing is the retarding phase. That's 2 degrees. So we think that's probably suitable. And now we'll go for a stage. We'll go for a slowish prove. We'll do 4 hours, 4.5 hours. So we change it to 4.5 hours. That's the stages there. Now, as I said, some croissants have a lot of yeast and may be quicker, some have less or may be slower. We press OK. First stage will go for 12 degrees. That'll be an hour and a half. It'll go from 2 degrees to 12 degrees every 15 minutes. So it'll go 2, 5, 8, 12 degrees in those every 15 minutes. We'll go in stages, probably going about 3 degrees. Press OK. Probably 85% is a bit too much. We'll go for 75%. Press OK. The second stage may be set at 18 degrees. Oh, maybe 20 degrees. We'll go 18 degrees. Press OK. Change that to 75. 75 again. Press OK. Leave that at 27 degrees. The melting point of butter is about 28 degrees. You don't want to go over 27. Press OK and change this one to maybe 80%. If there's too much humidity, you can change it later. This is a retarding phase, a holding phase. Probably have 15 degrees. That just stops it from over-proving if you're running a bit late. You press OK. Probably 95 is a bit too high. Change it back to 80, press OK. And we're back at the start. So all the things have been saved and you just press start. Now, that means now it's trying to cool down to get to 2 degrees, and you can put the product in probably once it's cool and just leave it there, and the product should be ready at 6 o'clock. Now I would suggest if you put it at 6 o'clock, I would come in at say 5 o'clock just to have a look at the product so you can tell whether it's proving quicker than you thought or slower than you thought. I wouldn't suggest you just come in at 6 and expect it to work. As I said, everybody's recipes are different, and this is only a suggestion. Now, if you come in the next day, once you've programmed it, and say it's all fantastic and everything worked perfectly, all you have to do it is press that. The program that you've logged in will be automatically saved, and all you have to do is press start, and it'll start to retard. All right, so you don't have to reprogram it every day. Once you've done the program and you're happy with it, you can just press the automatic box and press start. If you've got some changes to make, say you came in and it needed a bit more proving, you press this box, go OK, OK, and just work your way through. If it took, say it wasn't ready, you might change this to 5 hours. If it was ready early, you may change this to say 4 hours. So you press this, and reduce the time of the proving. All right. You don't have to go through all the stages, but you can if you want to check that you're happy with them. But also you could actually, you might change one of these stages. All right. But if you just press start, now it'll go through and it'll take a 4-hour prove instead of the 4.5-hour prove. All right. Hopefully that's helpful. Thank you very much.